am the president of the La Marvel Residents Welfare Association, and these are the residents of La Marvel Colony. So we are standing in La Marvel Colony, and it's quite a large colony, and it has right from the start we've had open spaces. Now, the area that you see here is the open space in question, which is part of La Marvel Colony, and this is certified by the town planner. So it's a certified map, and it is a map that comes with every sale deed of this colony. What is happening now is the CCP is in the past had already filled this area with mud. This was pertaining to an old case, which is the quarry case, wherein they tried to rob us of that land, but we took them to court. We won, and then we had them fill they returned the land, the quarry area, filling the quarry and filling it to the height which is what you see now. Ever since then also we have dealt with encroachments. A lot of these the area has been encroached on, like that stage that you see there. There is a demolition case for many years which we won, which the then Panjim Municipal Council and the now CCP refuses to demolish. In addition, you can see there is a sewage treatment pump. This is a land that we had given to the PWD. I can show you the survey maps, I can show you the permissions. This was something that we gave to the PWD, and it is being encroached upon by somebody from the village. Now we have made multiple complaints to the CCP, and no action has been taken against the stage or the encroachment that is happening on something government acquired land by the PWD for the benefit of the Marival village and us. So let me put this in perspective. People, you have spent so much crores of rupees for putting underground sewage pipes. We cannot use the sewage treatment pump because it's been encroached upon. So we have been filing multiple complaints, telling the CCP, showing them we are the land owners. The residents of La Marvel Colony are the land owners of this area, and also there have been people coming and dumping waste here, mud. So that area which was used by the CCP, where they filled it up to the road, has extended a bit. So we received a notice from the CCP saying that we have dumped the mud on this area, where there's no proof. We have not done any of that thing. We have actually complained to the contrary that it is CCP that has done the dumping of the land, the waste before, and other people have come and dumped because they are not doing their job. They are not tackling encroachments. They are not tackling illegal developments. They are not tackling dumping. After the 7 days notice, I had responded to the 7 days notice, which I can show to you. I pleaded with the CCP to let us have a joint inspection. They had given two numbers, one by the name of Mr. Dheeraj, who referred me to another person. None of the appointed people by the CCP have come today or before. No joint inspection has been done. Okay? Now, without work order, you can go and ask the CCP inspectors about that. I think he ran away also. But I have this on video. Without work order, they have come and they've started this work. They've been threatening to start this work since yesterday morning. And without a work order, we stopped them. They've been coming at night. Late at night, we have so many old people staying on this road. Some with ailments. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Have you heard of the CCP being so efficient to come at night? That's the time where they have their sorrow and everything, man. What is going on in Goa? What is going on in this country, where the state machinery is used against its own people without any proper documentation, no work order? This is something that has to be asked of the CCP and of the mayor. Who is behind this? We have said that we want this land to be returned to its original condition for the benefit of us, primarily because we are the land owners, and also we want to live in peace with the Marival village. But all of this has been thrown down the drain for conflict. So the question is, why is the CCP, despite our complaints, only tackling dumping of mud, that too without any work order, that too in contravention to an ongoing case with regards to the quarry?
election politics.
Okay.
Okay, and because of election, there are some politicians are involved from Taligaon to show their powers. Okay, to all the otherwise there were so many years this land was divided. They could have taken action in those days.
Okay.
Why only election time?
Okay.
Election time process is going on.
Okay.
And they want to show public, oh, we have done this.
Okay.
But what they could have done it long back. Why only election time? You got it, no?
Okay.
Okay. All this plantation is done by CCP.
Okay.
Okay. Now this plantation they want to remove. Why? But it is done by us. All the leveling done by us, CCP. Okay.
या आता डम्पिंग केला पळय ते डम्पिंग कोणी केला
Which
या आता माती
is
डंप केला
done by
पळय
CCP only.
आता ती काडटा न्ही सर, सो कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा काडटा तांकां प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हणटा ते काडटा म्हणून.
Kon?
आता ही
ही
What
रेजिडेंस
happened? It was an ugly scene here when dumping was allowed by these people, and this matter is going in before Bombay High Court. The writ petition is 29 2022 LAC. Okay, it's going on. Okay, they could have made an application if they want to clear this. They could have done that, but they have not done.
तुमकां हांकां नाका काडलेली ती
कोणाक?
माती, ती
हे कॉलनीचे लोक आसा तांकां काडलेली नाका.
कोणाक?
ती काडलेली माती.
Teka kitak jai, because it is there for long time, no? It was done by us only because they have given us NOC to CCP. Okay, that stone quarry was here. Okay, they said, "Okay, cover it." Okay, we did it according to their undertaking. You got it.
Okay.
And what they have done, CCP has done notice to them, given notice to them, which is very bad.
Okay.
Are you are dumping the material and you're serving notice to them. Can you do that?
Well.
When CCP dump the material and serving notice to them, you can't do it. No?
Okay.
When notice is required, what okay? If they have done some illegality, committed illegality, at that time they have not done anything. It is done by CCP only. They have dumped the material, and you are serving notice to them.
बट विलेजर्स आहा पळय विलेजर्स कितें म्हणटा पावसाच्या तांकां त्रास जाता आनी उदीक
तेंच्या घरांनी वता.
घरांनी उदीक येता म्हणटा ते
Exactly, that is a good point. I'm telling you, at this point, that time, all this sloppy water is to go and get it down into that stone quarry, and is to tune down, and then slowly is to go to the river Mandovi. Okay, now that is stopped. What happened when they were dumping this material at that time? Why they did not object? Why they allow this? So many years they had been dumping CCP here. They should have objected before, no? They allowed them. On the contrary, these are the same people, this colony, they have given land around 3,000 square meter free to the government to do that sewage treatment by here. They have given land. Okay.
आता कितें what is the solution you think?
Yeah.
What is the solution?
Solution is when they both have to decide what is to be done next, you know.
इवन सर थंयसर तेंचे तियात बी जाता म्हणटा ते सुद्दां करपाक दिना म्हणटा ते बिकॉज बंद उडयता म्हणटा.
Con with that.
हे म्हणजे हे लोक आसा कंप्लेंट करता पुलिसांक बी नापा.
Noise pollution, no.
बट ते तेंची वर्सान एकदां जाता म्हणटा ते.
उचपाड जाता म्हणटा ते.
वर्षान एक फाटी जाता पण if they are doing that, what they should at least meet them and decide that they are doing this theatre and all. They should tell, no.
बट तुम्ही म्हणटा आतां तियात्र बीन जाता नॉयज पोल्युशन जाता तियात्र इज अवर कल्चर न्हू
Right.
सो तियात्र समज जावन नॉयज पोल्युशन जाता त्रास जाला जाल्यार फुड्यान
No, no, no. So what happened when they are doing it? You require also permission from a certain people. So you cannot be disturb the your neighbors. Okay, at the time you do the activities. So but at least nicely you put it to them, saying that we are doing that particular theatre, and ask them that any objections, such objections, NOCs are not obtained by them.
तुम्हाला दिसता there is something misunderstanding between both the parties.
There's no misunderstanding. There's some political situation here.
You think it's a political?
Yeah. Definitely. Otherwise, all this, where was what was happening here? This was a peaceful, peacefully handled by all these people. Why during election time only this issue has come?
And they had made allegation against you saying that you all are filling this land because you want to give it for the builders.
Who is being
They made allegation against you.
against me?
Yeah. You are supporting them to fill the land
Yeah.
to give for the builders to.
This is marked on the plan an open space, and open space belongs to the colony.
Yes.
ओके
हे वाड्याचें नांव कितें
बारवेल विलेज
पार्वेल विलेज कितें इशू जाला कितें
इश्यू कितें जालां म्हणटा कितें आहा हिंगा पयलो ग्रावंड आसलो ग्रावंड आसलो म्हणटा 100 वर्सां सुमार माज जातली आनी हे बोंगले वयले आतां येयल्या एक पासून बोंगलो कांय नासले आनी त्या भायर कितें करताले आमी धाकटे भुरगे आसले तेन्ना फुटबॉल गेमी शेवताले फुटबॉल गेमी शेवताले म्हणटा आनी कितें करताले शेवताले झगडटाले कितें करताले आनी हे कोणूच आतां तेन्ना नासले न्हू आतां हेणी कितें केलें हे 2-4 वर्सां जालीं रातचे थोडी थोडी रेंव घालता हिंगा हाडून आनी हें आमचें सगळें ग्रावंड हें तें पुरोवन सोडलां तेणी पुरयलां म्हणून हांवें आतां कितें केलां आमकां आतां कांय जायना आम CCP कोणें बाबुशा कोणें रोहिता कोणें तेंका सांगलां आमकां आतां आनी म्हणटा तुमी हेल्प करा हें सामकें आमकां प्रोटेक्ट करता आनी हेणी चिंतलां कितें हें पुरोवपाचें आनी बिल्डराक दिवपाचें आनी हेज्या वतून नेल्सनूय आमचो आहा तेंका सपोर्ट करता आमच्या मातूक होच येयना तो आयज तो सुद्दां आसलो आमच्या आसलो जाल्यार आनी आमी सिसिला वयता सिसिला हिंगा कांय लागना ते येवन आपूण नाचता हिंगा आमी आदीं चड हिंचेच आनी आजून हिंचेच आहा
ओके ही प्रॉपर्टी तुमची ती हाडटा तेंची हाडटा तेचे सर्वे नंबर आरे
प्रॉपर्टी तेंची म्हणजे कितें भाडकार एकूच दोगांयकी पडटा आमी सांगलेलें तांकां दोगांयनी डबल ग्रावंड करुया तुमच्याय भुरग्यांक शेवा दी आमच्याय शेवा दी ते आमकां हेट करता ते आतां हे बोंगले बांदल्या आनी हेट करता आतां निमण्या सांगता कांय सांगना हेणी ते बोंगले बांदल्या तेणी आतां बोंगले बांदले आनी दुर्गा काडल्या आपणाच्या बोंगल्यान आनी स्पेशल बायले जांक तेणी हें केल्या गार्डनां केल्या कित्याक तो रस्तो कितें आहा गाडी पार्क करपाचो नाजाल्यार सगळ्या बोंगल्यांक पळय इटलान गार्डनां केल्या पळय ती ohले आशेचे हेणी पावते आमकडच्यान बरोबर घेवपाचें हांवें तेंचे कोहले चाटे वचना
नेल्सन मरे सगळे हाडटा नेल्सन पाड घालता हिंगा पयल्या लागून नेल्सन हाट करून रावता तेन पाच माती शेवडून घालता
आता तुमकां ही काडलेली जाय माती काडलेली नाका
तेणे पळय धाडले ना आमकां आनी कितें करपाचें 100 वर्सां वयल्यान जालें हिंगा
पूण ते म्हणटा की तुमचे कडेन वर्क ऑर्डर ना आसतना तुमी हे काम चालू
ऑर्डर आहा न्हू हेका आमी ऑर्डर कित्याक दिवया
साहेबांकडे बात करा
वॉकऑर्डर आहा हेची
आमकां
ताका बेश्टेच येता
ऑर्डर दाखोवंक शकता आमकां
आनी सिसिलाक आमी केन्नाच हिंगा मदें घेवची सिसिलाक कित्याक लागून ते आमच्या मदें कित्याक जाय आमच्या मदें नाका न्हू
ते कित्याक जाय आमच्या गांवचे ताका कित्याक पडला
आतां
आमच्या गांवचे आमी पळयतली
आमी आमची पळयतली हा दुसऱ्या
ताका लॉज ना ताका
सिसिलाक मारून नाकले गेले लॉज ना सिसिलाक
शिशिलाक उकलून व्हरान बसीर घालेले पळय ते ती लॉज ना ताका
वर्साक एकूच थिंगा नाटक करता तियात्र तेजेरच कंप्लेन करता ते बंद
आतां इने पुरसां वयता वर्साक एक
क्रॉस
पाटी
करून दिन आमी उजीर दोगले
कंप्लेन
कंप्लेन
केलें तेणी
वर्साक एकूच तियात्र करता फेस्ताक
हा एक रे सुणी
हय पळय बरे भाशेन
आमी पयले पुर्वजांचे सायमा ते पुर्वज भुरग्याले आमी सगळे यूज करताले हिंगा ग्रावंड सगळे एरिया आहा ते यूज करताले आतां आनी आमचो तियात्र जाता डीजे जाताले हिंगाचो तेंकाय येवपाक हिंगाचो ऑर्डर तेका जाय ते आमचे आनी ते भाव भयणाक आमी बरे भाशेन चलपाक हे भाशेन आहले आतां हेणें कितें 2 वर्सां जालीं सगळें आख्खें पुरयलां आनी आमच्या घरान इतलें उदक येता हिंगासर हिंगा सगळीं घरां मोडान वयता घर आमी सांगलेलें आरे तुमी शेजारी आनी आमी शेजारी एकामेकाचे भाव भयणां तुमी सजमोंक जाय न्हू आतां तुमी उंच आहा आनी आमी सकलो आहा तें उदक खंय वयतलें व्हडले फातर बातर येवन थिंगासर येता इतले इस्पिटीन उंच आहा न्हू सर थिंगासान येवन सारके हात तेंच्या कुशीक भरता आनी मागीर ते आपणाचे मनीस घालून ते फातर काडटा आनी हिंगाचो व्हडलो पावस येयलो म्हणटो हांव इतलें उदक येता हांव जीप घेवन येयलो पोत्तोच म्हूण म्हाका भिरांत दिसली थिंगासर हे करपाक इतलें व्हडल्या पावसान म्हाका उदक येता आनी ते आतां हें घाल ते पयलें कितें उदक हा डिस्ट्रिब्युटर जातालें की फोडपाक ब्रेक जातालो आनी तें आस्ते आस्ते येतालें आतां तें डायरेक्ट उदक येता आनी सारकें आमची स्पीडीन वयता हिंगासर आनी आमची सगळीं घरां बुडटा हिंगासर तेका लागून आमी सांगता तें काडूंक लावपाक एक पडून आतां 2 वर्सां जालीं ते आयकोन आनी हें करुया ते भशेन करता आनी तुमी आनी आमी भाव भयणां कशी बरे भशेन आनी ते म्हणटा आतां आमकां ऑर्डर हें लिगल पुरयलां तेणें ऑर्डर कांय ना हे पुरोवपाक तेणी इलिगल पुरोयलां ते सगळे आनी आमकां मार बसलो सगळे ते सोजमोंक जाय न्हू हिंगा सोरी भाशेन आहा म्हणून
एमएलएक बीन मेळ्या तुम्ही एमएलए मेयराक बीन मेळ्या
होय सगळे मेवले ते
आमकडे काय ना मेहरान केला बाबूच्यान केला बाबूच्या चेड्यान बायली
होय आमकां त्रास जाता म्हणून आमचे कोण उपकार मागून ते भाशेन
त्यांनी आता सांगला कितें ती माती आणटा ती त्यांनी घालूंक ना सीसीटीव्ही घातलेली आसा
तेणी घालूंक ना मरे जाल्यार आमकां आमी काडटा न्हू माती जाल्यार ती मोदेक दाख पडल्या आता तुम्ही उलया
तेणी घालून
माती आमकां सगळ्यांक घालेली
आमी दोगांय ना धांवता मरे रातची
रातच्या 12 एका 2 माती घालताले ते आमची जॅम पिड्यार करताले
आता हे सगळे
ते
पुरोवपाक
एक
आली
तुवें आतां पळय सांगला तेच ती सांगता सीसीपी रातची 2 घेवन माती घालताली
होय
मागीर तुमचे आतां कोण सोत आनी कोण
नेल्सनाक तेणी नेल्सनाक गेलो हे भाशेन आली प्लेस आली आख्खी ओपन प्लेस आली हे भाशेन आणि हिंगा ग्राउंडाचेर सगळे जाण शेवताले
सो तुमकां आतां काडलेली जाय
आमकां काडलेली
सगळे हिंगा डीजे जातालो मागीर आमचे 2 तियात्र जाता वर्साच्या वर्सा आनी मदीं सगळे भुरगे फेवता हिंगा
लगून बंद केलो तेणी त्या
नेल्सनाक होय नेल्सनाक कोण चुकी राहनाका तेका कळना
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.